Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage with a product to get your next restoration spinning, literally. The Eastwood 3,000 pound rotisserie will allow for the perfect work angle no matter which side of the project you're working on. It's time to say goodbye to crawling under a vehicle sitting on jack stands while all the dust and debris falls on you. Mounting up your next project vehicle body, frame, or truck cab is simple with the included attachment arms. Just look for areas such as suspension, bumper, or subframe mounting points to run your bolts through. With a 3,000 pound total weight capacity and a maximum opening of 18 feet, you won't be limited to just small little go-karts. Put those muscle cars up for full restoration. Once the body is bolted fast to the rotisserie, 2 hydraulic cylinders allow a single person to make height adjustments to ensure the body, cab, or frame won't come in contact with the bottom frame of the rotisserie as you spin the project. And with the project up high enough, it's time to use the 2 jack screws to fine-tune the project's center line so you get it nearer to the spindle center line. Taking your time on this step allows for safe, one-person spinning of the project with the low-friction spindle. Each jack screw features bearings to allow easy adjustments even as load is applied. Another great attribute is for taking load off and maximizing the life of the product will be the rollers on each vertical post. While making height adjustments, the rollers will stop unnecessary rubbing. With the vehicle up and able to spin, you may also need to move your project around the shop. With a total of 6 swivel locking casters, you'll easily be able to roll this around the shop, even by yourself. While in between stages of working, you can easily store the project out of the way up against the wall of the shop. Speaking of storing, once your current project is finished, you can simply break the rotisserie back down to store without taking up large amounts of space in your shop. If you thought purchasing a rotisserie was out of your budget, you'll be glad to see this simply isn't true anymore. I personally wouldn't want to go back to the old way of trying to restore a project, as I save so much time being able to work standing up. If you want the best way to fully access each side of your next project, look no further than the Eastwood 3,000 pound rotisserie. For more information or be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.